Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add music to a Facebook story. So to do that, you're just going to select create story here on the Facebook homepage, and then you are going to select this music button right here, and you're going to select the song that you want to add. And then you can just select the photo you want on like the story. For instance, this one. Oh, there you go. I'm just going to adjust the lyrics here. And then you can either save or share to your story like so. You can also adjust the like time of this song, like the timestamp. So like the lyrics, and then also the sort of format you want the lyrics to be in, I guess. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!